Hi everybody and welcome to the Gourmet Grandad Cooking Channel, and this is me, Rog. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a pizza dough, just a basic pizza dough, but an authentic pizza dough. And for this lovely pizza dough, what we're going to need is 1 pound of strong white flour, 5 ounces of 00 flour. We want 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 fluid ounce of olive oil, 2 fluid ounces of warm milk, 11 fluid ounces of warm water, and of course we're going to need some yeast. About 1 teaspoon will do. First we take a very large mixing bowl. In there we go with our strong white flour, followed by our 00 flour and 2 teaspoons full of salt. In they go. Then we can pop our yeast in and our olive oil and the milk, followed by the water. Now we're going to have to bring this together and knead this for at least 10 minutes until it becomes really elastic and your hand stays quite clean and free from the dough. Then on a board we add a little bit more flour and we get back to kneading. Push and stretch, push and stretch, push and stretch, push and stretch until it comes really nice and elasticy. There we go. Now we can pop this back into the bowl, cover it with cling film, and we're going to leave this to rise in a warm place for about an hour and a half. There we go. And it's probably doubled in size, or it should be. Lovely. Bit of flour on the board, then on with the dough. We're going to cut this in half because it's going to make 2 pizzas quite easily. And then we're going to have to knock this back, that's what they call it. Basically you're getting all the air out from the yeast. There we go, gone small again. Bit more flour, and we're going to roll this out to make our pizza shape. Try and keep it as round as possible. Keep moving it around on the board from side to side and it'll gradually get there. Pinch around the edge, you make it sort of a dish shaped. We'll keep all your toppings in then. Also it's nice and thin in the middle. There we go. Expertly done. All ready to go in the oven, we just need the toppings. But we're going to leave this to rest for about half an hour till it just rises just a little bit, and then yeah, then it'll be good to go and enjoy. Never buy another pizza.